Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 29th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So, once again, the trend was definitely your friend for gold today. I mean, it didn't move a lot, but definitely had some more pushes to the upside. We broke the 8400 pretty significantly. Now, unless this break structure to the downside, at least on the 1 hour time frame, even as a scalper, I wouldn't be recommending any shorts. I would definitely only be looking for longs. Now, if it does break structure, which it doesn't have to, the first thing I would do is start my Fibonacci retracement on the last series of higher highs, higher lows, and then I would observe the market to see if it made like a three-way pullback to a Fibonacci level, and then just ended up continuing the higher time frame uptrend. Be very, very cautious with gold. I really do not recommend shorts in any significant way, at least without some very, very significant breaks of structure to the downside. We are definitely still at a wave three on the daily time frame, and wave threes can stretch out a lot further than you may think they can. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.